Hey there, my name is Noemi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be about my everyday summer makeup routine. I didn't even say it. This time I'm just going to show you all the products that I love to use during the summer to have like the perfect glowy look. Most of those products are actually new from this year, but I've been using them frequently since the sun is sometimes out. You know, I live in the UK, so it's not easy, but still. I just wanted to share my favorite products and hopefully you will like them as well. And also you will be able to construct your makeup routine, your everyday makeup routine, thanks to some of the products I recommend in this video. So let's start. The first product are these two products from Drunk Elephant. The first one, it's the moisturizer, the Bora barrier, and the second one, it's the D-Bronzi drops. Those two products I only bought them because I love following and watching Jillian Del Zotto videos on TikTok and also Instagram, and she always used this combo together, and I thought, why not try it? And the thing is that even if I am already black, like dark skin, the bronzy drop gives me more of a glowy effect, which is exactly what I want to have. So that's the perfect product. So let's use this one pump. I think it's good enough. Yeah. Sometimes I put two pumps of the bronzing drops or once. It depends on how much product I have from the moisturizer. And then you mix them together. Okay, that was the first product. Then second one onto, actually I might try something and going to do two different things with my face. Let's try it. I was thinking of maybe putting my Dior Backstage concealer under it because I feel like today I need a lot of coverage. But at the same time, should I? Yes, I should. Okay, I'm going to use the Dior Backstage. As you can see, it's been overused. There's no, I don't know if it, stop focusing on my face, please. Okay, yeah, so it's been overused. I think I've had it for 2 years now. I bought it when I went to Barcelona 2 years ago in March. So yeah, I'm going to just use it under my eyelids and maybe somewhere else if I think I need it, but mostly under my eyes. I love to sometimes use this concealer under my lightweight foundation because sometimes I feel like at the end of the day, especially I'm the type of person to always put my fingers on my face, my makeup kind of just disappear if I didn't, you know, set it enough. So let's do it just to get it up. Blend, 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 blend. I immediately love the result. Also, I don't know, do you guys prefer to blend like concealers and everything with beauty blenders or with the brush? I'm team brush. Like I never gotten used to those like beauty blender. Maybe because I'm old, you know. I have to admit, I'm becoming older. But still, I don't know. Okay. I'm going to also put it around my mustache because I actually need to, you know, get rid of it. But didn't do it, so let's hide, you know, the kind of shade contour we can have here. And I think we're good to go. Okay, so that was the second step. Actually, sometimes I do go out with only the concealer. I put when I put my my bronzer here, and then I'm good to go. But today I'm not going to do that. Okay. Next, the most important piece of my routine, it's this Charlote Tilbury Flawless Filter. Charlote. Let's speak about this packaging. Like why everything is gone, why everything is already gone. Like I've had it for a month and a half, not even a month and a half, and every writing is gone. So please, Charlotte, let's do something about it. I don't know if it's because it's glass. If it doesn't need to be glass, let's change it. But yeah, this foundation costs a lot, so I mean, even if it's only writing, it should stay on for a long time. So my shade, it's the deep, the number 8 deep, and actually for the concealer, it was a shade, I don't know. There's no shade, so that's life. I love to, you know, kind of shake it like a Bollywood picture. You guys, I'm just shaking to have more product with me. Okay. I never know how you're supposed to apply this product, but I do whatever comes into my mind at that moment, so that's what we're going to do. I put it on my jeans. No. Okay, so now I'm like, I look super beautiful, you know, perfecto. I know that some people, I think I put it, I'm sorry. I know that some people love to blend this with their finger. I have something I really can't blend foundation with my fingers. Even with the concealer, sometimes I find it gross, but I don't know, that's just me. It's maybe one of my OCDs, but I can't do this. So I'm going to use a brush. I tried to do it with the beauty blender. It didn't look good because then I needed more product. But with this brush from MAC, it's one of the first one I had. Even though sometimes I feel like the hair fell off on my face. They do actually, it's not, I think they do. It's still the best brush I have. And I'm also going to apply a bit of the... Actually, I forgot to share something in my routine. I forgot to put the sunscreen. So usually this one, I do use it after the product. So I first need to let the moisturizer and the bronzing drop dry. So I'm sure I'm not mixing the product together. And then I put the sunscreen. I didn't do it now because honestly I'm staying at home and that's it. But think about it when you do it. Okay. Can you see already how my skin is more glowing? Please say it, say it, say it, say it. I'm going to powder everything with this Nars powder, like setting powder. Just putting a touch of it. I don't want to make it too powdery, but yeah. Then when it's everyday makeup, I don't do the whole contour, but I put a bit of bronzer, and this bronzer, it's more lighter than the one I usually put on for my heavy makeup. So it's more of orangey. It's from Nars, and yeah, as you can see, like the highlighter part is gone. I put my bronzer either on my cheekbones or just above it. No. And also I love using the bronzer because then I use less blush. While we're here, Vaseline for your lips. Normal people usually, you know, they put it with a finger. Once again, I have my thing that I don't like using my fingers for face things, so I just go perfect. Okay. For eyeshadow, I'm also using the bronzer just for a bit of depth in my eyes. So for the blush, it depends. Sometimes I love only using the bronzer. Sometimes I will use my powder blush. Today I wanted to use the Juvia Space blush in shade Sweet Berries. I've always used those kind of berry color blush, but maybe I want to try orange blush this year. I do feel like it's a good year for orange blush. Okay, so I'm putting some on my hand so I don't end up being red. Okay, I'm dipping. Okay, let's go. let's do my eyebrows together. So this is the Fluff Up Brow Wax from Benefit. If you've been on my channel for a longer time, the first eyebrow product that I've used were from Benefit. And since then, I think it's more than 10 years now. Okay, maybe not 10 years yet, but I've been a loyal customer. I tried to use ABH products, but I don't know. Maybe I need to try other ones, but still, I'm still in love with the brow product from Benefit. And the Precisely My Brow, of course. This is the NYX eyebrow pencil. I've been using this for 2 years and still not finished. Love the NYX product. I think I did my eyebrows very weird because the mirror is so far away from me. And also, I don't know if you noticed, but I have like a scar on my eyebrow, and since then I haven't been able to do my eyebrow as well as I used to. So please don't judge me. That's why I can't do my eyebrows first, because I'm going to massacre everything. I'm going to kill everything, the makeup, and then I will be a bad mood. So I'm always leaving for last. So if it's bad, at least the rest is good. Yeah. So my signature, my makeup signature, is to do eyeliner rings. But for this makeup, I'm not going to do one. I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a very, very small wing, whatever, liner here on the top, and then going under and in the inner corner of my eye, of my lash, on the top of my lash. Anyway, you've understood. I'm going to show you. I'm going to use a white eyeliner to make my eyes look a bit bigger. For the mascara, I'm going to use the Last Sensational from Maybelline, my all-time fave, one of my first mascara, because you know they were cheap. Touch, my Fenty Beauty matchsticks in cognac for the highlighter. Also put it in the inner corner of my eye to bring a bit of sparkle in there. Fenty Beauty gloss. It's the, you know, the fussy one. For finishing the video, I'm just going to add one more spritz of the setting spray. For more glow. And voila, that's it for my everyday summer makeup routine. What did you think of it? I love it. It does take more time when I talk about it, but otherwise I think I can do it in maximum 10 minutes or even less. Actually, even 10 minutes seems a lot, but usually I can do it like between 5-7 minutes. It's just because I was talking to you that it took more time. Also very sorry for my eyebrows, so I think I'm just not going to show that part in the video, or just tell you which product I use. Yeah, let me know in the comment if you like this type of routine and if you want more makeup routines on my YouTube channel. This video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube as well. This channel, please subscribe if you want more of my content. Yeah, see you soon. Bye.